We're taking a look at the 6-pack of mystery dice from 1985 games, ripped from the 80s. And this definitely brought me back. I've just been going through all 6 of these. They come in each one of them comes in a foil pouch. So this big foil pouch is full of these small sets. Each of these sets comes along with a cool sticker. They're all different. A cool enamel pin. Again, they're all different. Their body. And then a different set of dice. This set kind of reminds me of cherries or strawberries. This set's kind of like lightning or ore deposits in the ground. This one's your classic honey dice. We've got a really cool set with little kitten cutouts that are rainbow colored inside of this one that give it a real cool ice effect. And then probably my favorite is this blue jade with really cool scroll, and all of them have great color fill, and these are going to be great gifts. So you get this with 6. You can have them for your own fun and excitement when you have gaming night, or if you need gifts for people, each of these mystery packs makes a great gift idea. Hope this helps. We'd like to thank 1985 Games for sending us this set to check out. Really appreciate it.